Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the StockInvest.us channel. Let's dive into what you need to know before the markets open today. U.S. stock futures have dipped slightly as investors weigh the impact of new tariffs between the United States and China. By early morning, the Standard & Poor's 500 futures were down by 0.4%. NASDAQ 100 had decreased by 0.3%, and Dow futures fell by 0.4%. Markets are reacting to a fresh set of tariffs announced by Beijing as a response to recent United States levies. China has announced a 15% tariff on United States coal and liquefied natural gas imports and a 10% tariff on crude oil, agricultural equipment, and automobiles. These measures follow President Trump's 10% tariff on Chinese goods, escalating trade tensions. In response, China has also placed export controls on rare earths, key materials for various industries. This move could have significant implications as China is a leading producer of these materials, affecting global supply chains. Furthermore, Beijing included companies like PVH Corporation and Illumina on its list of unreliable entities and started an antitrust probe into Alphabet-owned Google. Tensions are definitely heightening on the technology front. Speaking of Alphabet, the tech giant is set to report its quarterly results today after the closing bell. The consensus earnings per share forecast is $2.12. Investors will watch it closely, especially in light of the artificial intelligence developments from China's DeepSeek, which could affect Silicon Valley's strategy. Meanwhile, United States oil prices took a hit, with futures slipping 1.9% to $71.78 a barrel. The volatility is influenced by fears of global economic disruptions due to these trade tensions. Despite the turmoil, gold prices showed a slight increase as investors seek safe havens amid the uncertainty. Gold's slight rise comes alongside some faltering in the dollar value. On the other hand, cryptocurrency markets have seen a rebound. Bitcoin rose 3% and even touched $100,000, driven by the postponement of United States tariffs on Mexico and Canada, which led to renewed buying interest. As traditional markets remain closed over the weekend, cryptocurrencies have become a go-to asset class for traders seeking refuge during economic uncertainty. However, analysts warn the sector remains susceptible to geopolitical developments. Today, we also have some essential pre-market movers to keep an eye on, such as Palantir Technologies, Spotify Technology, and Supermicrocomputer Incorporated. These stocks are likely to show notable activity as the trading day starts. Markets will also be cautious about potential developments in trade policies after President Trump agreed to delay tariffs on Mexico and Canada. These moves suggest that negotiation windows remain open despite rising tensions elsewhere. Thanks for tuning in to StockInvest.us. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts on today's market challenges and opportunities. Hit the subscribe button for more updates, and happy trading.